Let's use some math operators on our column. Let's begin by writing select, specify the column names that we need. So company name, the funding. Let's create a new column where we take the funding and divide it by 1,000,000. Rename this as funding in million. Mention the data set that we're using. Let's make sure that we don't get any bad data. So funding is greater than 0. And then let's restrict it to the first 10 rows. Select this query and run. You'll see that we have created a new column funding in million by performing a math operator on our original column. You can use a multitude of different math operators on the columns and solve the problem that you need.